Students, now we are in the third unit video lecture which is given for your reference. As a course outcome, we have to understand the meaning from these various topics what we have discussed: human value, engineering ethics, engineering and social experimentation, all the things. Different criteria may be applied. Theories and judgments are continuously adjusted to each other until we reach the reflective equilibrium. Utilitarian theory terms utilitarian was observed. The approach weighs the cost and benefits. Right actions are the one that produce the greatest satisfaction. In another example, some undisciplined engineers or uh, duty ethics theory do what are the things ethics to be followed in the duty. Right theory entitlement to act and to have another individuals. As per Milton theory based on the right nature madness etc. So we have to compare or easy understanding. We have to follow the website address given here. Any questions? Because each and every wording in this syllabus we have to concentrate and understand the meaning of the basic knowledge. So it is an important and common thing that every the engineering student has to study this topic what we have discussed. The main thing is how to understand the various theories for our activities. So right or natural in these, so far as they are applicable. The character is and the pattern of vipers. Justice fairness theory, the judges or fairness approach to ethics has its roots in the field. Self-realization ethics, right action consists in seeking self-fulfillment. Religion has the important role in their activities. So actually in the second unit of engineering ethics, the topic given is very narrow topic what we have. So if you want to understand the meaning, you have to follow the balance point that should be studied. You may not give the exact correct definition. Actually, you can give the examples or case studies as a example for you. It is not necessary to say sharing all the details. So honesty and courage. Courage is refers to the bravery people, choice and willingness to conform the agencies. Valuing time, a first step of gathering your information. Okay.